If cricket is a symphony, then fast bowling is the crescendo. Let's meet our Yorker specialist, Jasprit Bumrah. Bumrah is just casually strutting a few yards, quite contrary to, let's say, Brett Lee storming in from a long range. And yet, 145 clicks. How? Notice the quick arm rotation. This speed of rotation is called angular speed, or revs per minute. Let's simplify. Look at those two windmills with a ball fixed on their blades. Upon launching, which one will fly off faster? Yes, the windmill with higher RPM. Quicker arm rotation implies higher angular speed, which translates proportionally to a higher linear speed and hence a super fast delivery. Apart from quick arm rotation, top-class fast bowlers generate pace using their run-up and high arm action.
And he does! And that's a hat-trick!
To see more on fast bowling, stay tuned to Wicket to Wicket.